Here I have Motorola Moto G Play 2023, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Talkback feature on this device. To do this, firstly you should open settings, then you should go to the accessibility section, then go to the Talkback. So here you can enable it.
Talkback on. Settings. Talkback.
So, Talkback is a mode made primarily for people with blindness and some vision problems, and it works the way that it spells out loud items on the screen. So for example, I tap Talkback and it says like Talkback. When you're in the Talkback and you want to perform any action, you will firstly have to select it.
Use Talkback on. Switch in list. Double tap to activate.
And in order to confirm it, you will have to double tap in order to activate it. So like you have to double tap anywhere on the screen like this.
Stop Talkback.
Then you tap, for example, stop,
button.
double tap,
Talkback off.
and that's how you can disable it. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.